How to find a forgotten Instagram password on your iPhone. So if you've forgotten your password, I'll show you two places on how to go and find this. Now first, head over to the home screen on your iPhone, scroll down to bring up the search box and then go and type in the word passwords. You could then click on the passwords app and you may need to enter your phone's passcode in order to unlock this. You can then click on the search box at the bottom of the page and go and search for Instagram. If you see your Instagram profile from the list, go and select it. It will then bring up this window here and you can click on password and this will reveal your Instagram password. Now if you can't find it from here, I'll show you another way to do this as well. So go and open up an internet browser on your phone. I'll just be using Google Chrome, but this will also work in Safari. You then need to head over to the website google.com. Now make sure you're signed into your Google account and then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. Click on manage your Google account and then click on security and sign in. You can then scroll all the way down this page to password manager and click on this. Click on the search box and once again search for Instagram. If you see Instagram in the list, you can simply go and click on it. You can then click on the password field in order to reveal your Instagram password.